Hello everybody, today we'll be solving LeetCode number 88, which is merge sorted array, and let's read the question. You're given two integer arrays. Let me bring in the pen. You are given two integer arrays, num1 and num2, in a non-decreasing order, and two integers m and n representing the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. So let's just directly see the examples that have been given. We've been given the example. Okay, we've been given nums1, which is an integer array, and according to the question there should be only three, right? Only three. So but we have six, so we can directly consider them as, these are not part of the array. And then we'll see the second integer array, which is 2, 5 and 6. And yeah, this is correct. And okay, this is the output that we have to get. Okay, upon merging the two arrays, this should be the resultant. Okay, got it. So without any further ado, just let's start the coding. Okay, it's not going to be very difficult for you to understand what we are actually doing here, so I won't be using any pen and paper to explain and or dry run. It is just a very simple code. As you know, it is LeetCode easy. So let's just start. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll create a nums3. Okay, I'll create a nums3 array. Okay, you'll get to know why I have done that. Okay, let's just do it very quickly. Nums3. You can code along with me. New int. Yeah, so as all of you know, this is how we create an array in Java. M plus n. So why did I use m plus n? Because I want upon combining nums1 and nums2, I want that to be enough space. Because okay, see, let's see, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. So upon appending them like together, upon combining them together, to be more precise, so just to make sure there's enough space to accommodate elements from both the arrays into one. Okay, I have created one. Let's create an index variable which is assigned to 0. Okay, this is to point the indexes in the nums3 array, and this is, in the next step, we'll copy all the non-zero elements from nums1 to nums3. So yeah, let's do it. We'll be using a for loop to iterate over the nums1 array. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot sorry, there was a mistake, nums1 dot length, and we will increment it. Sorry, okay. As I already told, only the non-zero number should be in the nums3 array. So I'll be using an if condition here. If nums1 of I is not equal to 0, nums3 of index is equal to nums1 of I. Okay, and we will increment index also, so it goes to the next position, next index basically. Okay, so we're done here. Let's do the same for the nums2 array also. So we'll do it quickly, and j is equal to 0, j is less than nums2 length, j plus plus, and the exact same code will be written here too. And nums2 of j is not equal to 0. Nums3 of I and x and x is equal to nums2 of j. Okay, I hope that is clear. Then we will increment the index so it goes to the next index of position, because we are not using while loop here. I'm sorry, that was unnecessary. while loop does not have anything to do with this. Then arrays dot sort, as we need a sorted answer. Okay, in the output we want things to be sorted. As you can see, there's 1 2 3 5 6. It is in the ascending order, so if we sort it, it automatically gets sorted in the ascending order. Yes. Okay, now what we have to do is, as you can see, we have to return, I mean, it's not necessary that you have to return any of these arrays only. You can return nums3 also. Let us try if we can actually do that. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. Unexpected return values. So there is an issue with this. We'll just try copying it back to nums1 for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums3 dot. We are basically iterating over the nums3 array which we just created. Then I plus plus, and then nums1 of I is copied. No, the things that are there in nums3 goes into nums1. This is what we are doing here. And, okay, I hope that works. Sorry, nums3. Yep. So all the test cases have passed. Let's just try submitting it. What the fuck is this? Yeah, let's just submit it.